Let me show you how we can use widgets on the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First, let's start with removing widgets, because there are some widgets pre-added on the home screen that you might want to get rid of. To do so, you just have to press and hold your finger on the widget, and then in these additional options that appear, you want to tap on remove. And there we go, the widget is gone. We can remove pretty much every widget that you can find in here. Now let's talk about adding. To add a widget, you have two options. You can press and hold your finger on an empty space on the home screen, and then at the bottom we can choose widgets. And here we can find some example widgets that we can use, of course, but we can also scroll down to search for apps that contain widgets. And if you find a widget that you wish to use, you can either tap on that widget and find the add button so you can use it, or you can press and hold your finger on the widget and then drop it anywhere you want to. And the second option that allows you to add a widget is by pressing and holding your finger on an app. So if you press and hold your finger on the app, whether it is the home screen or app drawer, you will see once again these additional options. And if the app has widgets, then you can find the widgets option in here. By doing this way, you can see widgets that have been provided by this specific app that you have selected. So if you're looking for widgets from a specific app, then you can quickly find it like that. And then the rest is pretty much the same. We can do exactly the same thing as before. There we go. In some cases, it is possible to resize widgets. So if you grab by the corners, if they are highlighted, then you should be able to resize the widget. If you don't see these corners, you can press and hold your finger on the widget, and then we can resize again. But like I'm saying, only some apps are allowed, or it is possible only for some widgets to be resized. In some cases, resizing option is limited, and in some cases it is not possible at all. What is also pretty cool on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is that we can create a widget stack. So if I press and hold my finger on this widget, I can find the create stack option. If I tap over here, I can add another widget that has exactly the same size as this one that I selected. In my case, that widget that I just used is 4x1, so over here I can look for other widgets that are 4x1 or can be resized to 4x1. So let's say I'm gonna choose this Chrome shortcut in here and I'm gonna press add. There we go, now I have two widgets in the same spot and I can scroll through them, I can swipe through them if I'm looking for something different. If I press and hold my finger now on that space with this widget, of course, I can edit the stack and I see the list of all the widgets that I have added into the stack so far. And of course, if I want to, I can add more and more widgets in here. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here as well, and I can keep adding. And there we go. This allows you to effectively save the space on the home screen. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.